When you have water damage from flooding or leaks, every minute counts, and you can count on the immediate response that only SERVPRO can provide. Call SERVPRO at 844-254-1480. We can respond with our large loss or residential division. Our promise is to be faster to any disaster. As a locally owned business, we can respond immediately to your home or office emergency. If you have water damage, you'll need to move fast to protect your belongings. Follow the link below this video for important emergency safety tips. We realize that unexpected flooding or leaks are stressful to you and your family. Let us help you restore your property quickly and easily by calling SERVPRO at 844-254-1480. SERVPRO Water Damage Cleanup, like it never happened.